Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I will show you how to preview photos, videos and other stuff on your MacBook. For this I'm already in a folder right here where I have some photos and some videos. Of course you can just click these images, okay, now I tapped over here, and then you can close them by clicking the red X. But that's not preview, that's just opening it. Let's say we want to preview it, then just click it one time and then hold down your spacebar until it opens like this. If you let your spacebar go, it just closes. Hold it, close. Of course, you can do the same with videos. Hold your spacebar and here you can see it and then let it go. Okay, that was a little hack on how to preview photos, videos and other stuff on your MacBook. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.